Self-lender builds credit through a structured installment loan that reports payments over time, while OpenSky builds credit through a secured credit card that reports revolving credit activity. By the end, you'll know how each one builds credit differently, what actually shows up on your credit report, and which option fits your situation better in 2026. Start with Self-lender. Self-lender works like an installment loan. You make fixed monthly payments, and those payments get reported to credit bureaus. Now explain what that means. Installment loans show lenders that you can handle consistent, scheduled debt over time. That creates payment history based on structure and timing. Now move to OpenSky. OpenSky is a secured credit card. You put down a deposit, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. Now explain what that means. Instead of fixed payments, you're using revolving credit. That means you spend, repay, and reuse the credit line. Now, explain the core difference. Self-lender builds installment credit history. OpenSky builds revolving credit history. These are two different categories that both matter in credit scoring. Now explain self-lender advantage. Self-lender is predictable. You follow a fixed payment plan, which makes it easier to build consistent payment history without needing to manage spending. Now explain OpenSky advantage. OpenSky behaves like a real credit card. That means it can help you build everyday credit usage patterns like utilization and repayment behavior. Now explain limitation of self-lender. Self-lender does not give you spending power. It is strictly a credit-building account, not a tool for purchases. Now, explain limitation of OpenSky. OpenSky requires responsible card usage. If you overspend or carry high balances, it can work against your credit goals. Now explain who self-lender is better for. Self-lender is better for people who want structured credit building with fixed payments and no spending temptation. Now explain who OpenSky is better for. OpenSky is better for people who want to build real credit card behavior using a secured card. Now give the key comparison takeaway. Self-lender builds history through a controlled loan structure. OpenSky builds history through real credit card activity. Now summarize the key points. Self-lender focuses on installment loan reporting with fixed payments. OpenSky focuses on revolving credit through a secured credit card. And the better choice depends on whether you want structured payments or real card usage. One practical next step. Check your current credit profile and see which type of credit you're missing, because the biggest credit improvement usually comes from balancing both types. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit tools and how they actually work.